just a quick, pointless video. I know we have AI now that can create 3D models from images and more, which is impressive. However, the AI I have been hoping for is the one that can handle smaller tasks like this. The top model shows the topology automatically created by Blender, while the bottom model shows the results after I manually clean it up. We do have automatic remeshing tools, but they just don't cut it. Come on man, AI this part up. Anyway, enough of my rant. Hopefully AI will handle this part automatically someday.